Briefly describe the amazing evolution of digital course. The evolution of digital courses has been remarkable, transforming the way people learn and access education. Here's a brief overview. Early days of e-learning, digital courses began with basic online learning platforms and early attempts at distance education, often consisting of text-based content and simple multimedia elements. Advancements in technology: as technology advanced, so did digital courses. The introduction of multimedia elements such as videos, interactive quizzes, and animations enhanced the learning experience and made online courses more engaging and effective. Rise of massive open online courses, MOOCs. MOOCs emerged as a popular form of digital learning, offering free or low-cost courses from top universities and institutions. MOOC platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and edX democratized access to education and attracted millions of learners worldwide. Personalization and adaptive learning: digital courses began to incorporate personalized learning pathways and adaptive technologies, tailoring the learning experience to each student's needs, preferences, and skill level. Explosion of online course platforms: the proliferation of online course platforms made it easier for individuals and organizations to create, market, and sell digital courses. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi provided tools and resources for course creators to launch and manage their own online courses. Hybrid and blended learning models: the lines between traditional and digital education blurred with the rise of hybrid and blended learning models. Institutions and educators combined online and in-person instruction to create flexible and customizable learning experiences. Integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning: AI and machine learning technologies have been integrated into digital courses to automate tasks, provide personalized recommendations, and analyze learner data to improve the effectiveness of instruction. Focus on accessibility and inclusivity: efforts have been made to make digital courses more accessible and inclusive, with features such as closed captioning, screen readers, and translations to accommodate diverse learners. Emergence of microlearning and bite-sized content: microlearning gained popularity as learners sought shorter, more focused learning experiences. Digital courses began to offer bite-sized content, quick tutorials, and mini lessons that could be consumed on the go. Continuous innovation and experimentation: digital courses continue to evolve with ongoing innovation and experimentation. New technologies, instructional strategies, and learning formats are constantly being explored to enhance the effectiveness and accessibility of online education. Overall, the evolution of digital courses has been driven by advances in technology, changing learner preferences, and a growing demand for flexible, accessible, and engaging education options.